We have been using fire, but what is fire? Fire is the rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. And flame is the visible portion of the fire. It consists of primarily of carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen, and nitrogen. If hot enough, the gas may become ionized to produce plasma. Man discovered the fire in prehistoric age. We do not have firm evidence, but they may have used piece of flint stone banged together to create spark. Fire is not solid nor liquid, mingling with air more like a gas. But it differs with gas as gas exists with same state, while fire burns out eventually. Chemical equation of fire can be explained through given chart. From ancient period, fire is an essential fuel used for cooking, generating heat and light, smelting, forging, and propulsion purposes, etc. According to Hindu mythology, fire is treated as Lord Agni, which just not burns and destroy but also purifies the thing which come in its influence. Agni is perhaps most closely associated with sacrificial fires, where he is taught to carry the offerings of human to the god. Hence the use of the fire in many important Hindu ceremonies and rituals such as marriages and yajna. Fire is our sensory experience of a chemical reaction called combustion. Fire is a powerful force in nature. It generates lot of heat. We can get various colors of flames by combustion of different chemicals. Lithium plus isopropyl alcohol burns with red flame. Calcium chloride plus isopropyl alcohol burns with orange flame. Sodium bicarbonate plus isopropyl alcohol burns with yellow flame. Boric acid plus methanol gives green flame. To get greenish blue flame, we have to burn copper sulfate and methanol. Potassium chloride plus methanol burns with purple flame. Finally, methanol burns itself with blue flame. Fire is one of the important and powerful element of the nature, so it should be used properly. We worship Lord Agni by chanting mantras in Agnihotri.
Agnaye Swaha Agnaye Idanna Mama Prajapataye Swaha Prajapataye Idanna Mama.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Genius World 7.